gore kry ile punchara. My darlings, Tobaka, iyo, koloi. Home not to just drive and be on the road, Kamahari, play music, and then like, you know, only that girl that you want to be, that you think you are, until such things happens. You guys, yo, get story times, but fuck. Guy, Lotana pum. Pancha pum. My sister was like, no ways. It's high time you learn. It's high time you know. You don't just lay and have a car and drive over where Namola. You need to know how to do these things. Ari, get down. We're gonna fix this tire. At this point, I was like, when you know what happened later, you guys know. I'm gonna go out to do this. I no ways. We're gonna do it. And we did it. But I was so annoyed. Trying by all means, yo, Aranamela, you're gonna do this. Finally, happy in Jabule, Kere scroof. One down, the second one down. Kifilor, oh mama, I just share Amanda. Mama, I just share Amanda. Rampapapan. Yo, what's back, Kerry? It was the 7th of March. I was from work and immediately after parking, Hecker, get the signal on the car. Tweet. Hecker, punch. Are you guys? At this point, I was so annoyed. But let me tell you guys, it's not a child's play. Like, it took us about 2 hours roughly. Not, I think, 1 to 2 hours. And then la fele tshalitshile federe biscuit in annoyed. Like, I was so annoyed, you guys. If there's one thing I don't like, is this type of attire, different lady Mekwell Sakoloi, you know? Like, I spend a week got this tire, you guys. Yo, Nikki say happy. I was not happy. Miguel was like, so meaning I jeka enough so Ari, take that thing and then yo asanga paso. Bon, at this point, like, I nearly broke my nails and then until so that the tire could feed. It took me 30 minutes to do this thing. My sister was like, you need to get this right. Think of one day Ole somewhere in the middle of nowhere and then you got a punch. You must be able to fix your tire, girl. You don't just lay. You have a car but you don't know the basics. These are the basics. Ari, get out. We got down, guys. We got down like deep wheel. And then yana karo kele gozumela la mathaere khala chincha mathaere tracker. She got it right. You guys, we grew up at home, hona le tracker. So this one and my older sister would change mathaere a tracker, like no heavy. So for her, these are just the basics, like she said. But for me, it was challenging. But fuck, yo, but finally, the tire was out. We managed to put the other one. We must we must tie this up very tight and then namela more so that it's got screw fluid. Like it need to be very much tight. That time annoyed. Let's take this thing to the garage. We need help. I don't know ways. Guys, Kanamela, and honestly speaking, it was so refreshing. It was so refreshing to do these things. Kabona, I actually never thought I could change a tire. Ketare, she instilled that sense of independency in me. You don't just have a car and then you don't even know how to change a tire. It's simple. Change her and but yeah, we did it. At first, I'm not gonna lie. Like Nikila up to here, kifilor awa nasena mun na nasena mun. Bona that time or ibi feel joang. But yeah, man, it is a learning curve. I mean, we're learning new skills every day, new things every day. And honestly speaking, I must say I was so proud of myself. Like for a moment, I was so proud of myself. Kifilore, mama, I just shared a mentor. Sitito, bon, but it gave me that sense of satisfaction. Not bad. I actually can do these things, not really bad, sometimes relax that too much, you put your no, I can quickly take this to the garage. Of course I could, like it was a simple thing. For sure it could cost even less than 100 rand just to take to a garage, but I think it was really worth it for me to do this thing. So yeah, my sister is a real warrior. Ke mo fa mapantara, ke mo fa maboloma sa phila ba ra re etsalela jeke mo. So yeah, guys, it was just a fulfilling experience that I wanted to share with you, my darlings. Kifilore dumelang batho ba ka. It was just one of those days whereby I'm not happy. Kifilore, yo, what is this? But hey, thanks for watching. I am the Elegant Carrie. Thanks for watching. Remember to tell your friends, to tell their friends who you gal have a YouTube channel. Remember to like this video. Tell me, what are your best experiences, you guys, with your cars? What is it that you have learned so far that you never thought you could do? But hey, you did it. What is it that you once did? Yeah, I've had that sense of satisfaction because this for me was a nice experience. I could do this again. If it means survive like a no. Actually, so yeah, man, I'm just happy for myself. Tata girl, city bye.